Pipe and Filter Architecture User Interface Design, presented by Anuja, APCSC, Rohini College of Engineering and Technology. Pipe and filter architecture. Pipe and filter is a simple architectural style that connects a number of components that process a stream of data, each connected to the next component in the processing pipeline via a pipe. A pipe and filter architecture is inspired by the Unix technique of connecting the output of an application to the input of other via pipes on the shell. The pipe and filter architecture consists of one or more data sources. The data source is connected to data filter via pipes. Filters process the data they receive, passing them in another filter, the pipeline. The final data is received at the data link. So this is the architecture of pipe and filter, that is data source, filter and data sink. Then pipe and filter is another architectural pattern which has independent entities called filters component, which perform transformation of data and process the input they receive, and pipe which serve as connectors for the stream of data being transformed, each connectors to the next component in the pipeline. So this is the architectural diagram for pipe and filter. The pipe and filter pattern is characterized by successive transformation of stream of data. As you can see in a diagram, the data flow in one direction. It starts at the data source, arrives at the filter input port, where processing is done at the component, and then is passed via its output ports through a pipe to the next filter, and then eventually end at the data target. A single filter can consume data from our procedure data to one or more ports. They can also run concurrently and are not dependent. The output of one filter is the input of another. Hence, the order is very important. A pipe has a single source for its input and a single target for its output. It preserves the sequence of data items and it does not alter the data passing through. User interface design. The user interface design is the front-end application view to which the user interacts to use the software. The software becomes more popular if its user interface is attractive, simple to use, responsive in a short time, clear to understand, consistent on all interface screens. The type of user interface, that is, first one is command line interface. The command line interface provides a command format where the user type the command or feed it to the system. The user need to remember the syntax of the command and its use. Graphical user interface. Graphical user interface provides a simple interactive interface to interface system. The GUI can be the combination of both hardware and software using GUI. The user interprets the software. So this is the diagram for user interface design process. The analysis and design process of a user interface is iterative and can be represented by a spiral model. The analysis and design process of user interface consists of 4 framework activities. Thank you.